welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a nature decorated sticks. It is called dodgeball. It's the same as dodgeball sticks and I know what it is. So, you throw the balls, we'll kind of make something like that or a chart, but it's not a chart. We'll be creating a very nice house with the sticks, a grateful house. I'm around the forest and today I saw sticks out. And my brother said he found more sticks. But at a pond there's loads of ducks swimming and hunting for food because they're hungry. I just gave them food and I will be starting by now. First we'll have to put the sticks on the ground. By first breaking them, then making holes in it so it can be more nice. Then you need big sticks. My brother said I need big sticks, so I'm trying my best. But I know a good idea. First, you break the stick, you make some holes like this. Then it will have to put this right in here, like this. Then what we'll have to do, I'll have to get some leaf. Daddy, keep on turning around. So we will get some sticks around here. So me and my brother will find some leaves. Okay, So I found a whole pile of leaves here, and I'll rip them off and bring them to our new pile. And in our pile, we'll be making like something like a pole house where polar bears live in the North Pole. Then we keep on putting the sticks together until all the stick polyum is empty, like this. Then we got all these leaves. I found some leaves we collected, and this leaf will stand there. We'll keep on getting the leaves off until it ends from the stalk of a leaf. Then we keep on doing this until all the leaves are empty off the stalk. Then we'll have to find some rocks. That's some more. Okay, so we'll have to find some rocks. I find one. This is a snail, but we should leave it somewhere safe because we don't want to kill it. Then we get some more rocks until my hand is full of rocks. Now I've got it. Then what we do is put the rocks about right here so it can look like people's faces. This thing we are making is called a dragon house, a dragon cave, where dragons used to live. Okay, then we'll have to go around. I'm not finished yet. So we'll have to get some more rocks for all the people's faces, which the dragon has ate in the cave. But if there's no more rocks, I know a better thing to use. We can use some more these. We can collect all these types of sticks because they look like human body. Then we go back to where we were. Here. I found some stones. Okay, thank you. And we'll have to put all these things for the human body. I found some more. Then this would be a thing. The dragon will be making the dragon by now, sleeping on a leaf. I know dragons don't normally sleep on a